Are you wondering how the Queens real estate market performed this November? Stay tuned because we're breaking down the latest trends for both single family and multifamily homes. I'm Elias with Alejandra, your brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
Let's start with single family homes. In November this year, 221 homes sold with a median sales price of $825,000, exactly the same as last year. However, sales value dropped by 6.4% this year over year from 236 homes that sold in November 2023.
These homes were on the market for an average of 40 days before going into contract. The most expensive home sold in Bayside for $1,900,888, while the least costly was in Rockaway Park for $430,000.
In terms of new contracts, 236 homes went into contract with a median list price of $799,389, an average of 49 days on the market. As of right now, we have 964 single-family homes for sale in Queens.
Now switching gears to multifamily homes, that's 2 to 4 units. In November, 126 properties closed with a median close price of $1,094,500. They spent an average of 50 days on the market before selling.
Meanwhile, 156 properties went into contract, averaging 54 days on the market. Currently, there are 1,037 multifamily homes available for sale in Queens.
Overall, if you've been following our monthly market reports, you'll notice that inventory has remained low throughout 2024, with November marking the lowest level of homes for sale in Queens this year.
Another key takeaway is the slight increase in the days on the market for properties that went under contract in November compared to those that closed. This suggests that buyers are taking a bit longer to commit, possibly due to higher interest rates or seasonal slowdowns coming towards the end of the year.
And Queens remains a strong market despite reduced activity. We'll be watching how inventory and buyer demand shift as we head into 2025.
If you have any questions about any of these trends and how they affect your real estate goals, contact us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights about the local real estate market.